So, welcome fellow coin collectors, how you going today? And I actually purchased another free 1 kilo bags, and we're just going to see what they actually contain. So these are the last 1 kilo bags I'm going to be purchasing. The first one was okay, and I'm not too sure on if these are actually a good buy. So we'll have a look and we'll see if they actually are. So 1 kilo is actually quite a lot of coins. So we just take some out, put them in front. And as you can see some Thai, Hungarian, Spain, German. And we only do quarter of the bag because there's actually quite a lot. And that's enough. So let's have a look what coins we can actually find in this bag. I expect most of them will actually be quite common, and probably sell them on for a few dollars as a bulk lot. And the first coin we have is a Greek 20 drachma, 1976, quite a common with Pericles. This one has some problems around the side, so that's probably just, I don't know, I've never seen it before on a Greek coin. The next coin is a 10 drachma of the same series as we just saw, 84. This one has an atom and has Demokritos, and this one has the same problem, so maybe it's just normal. Okay, common coin from Indonesia, 100 rupiah. So this is the previous series, still circulates because the current series is the same size. Although this is the bird series and is actually quite nicer. Sell them probably $1 maximum. So if I don't say the price, then it's probably low value. Okay, next coin is a penny, 1944. Now I believe between 1940 and 44, I don't believe they issued many pennies in the UK, because I actually had a heap of them that were minted in the 30s and 20s. This one's in pretty good condition, probably VF, and probably $1. Need to look it up. And this coin, yeah, I've seen this before. This is a Canadian token. This is Bank of Upper Canada. It's been holed, so it's probably been in a necklace or something. 1854. So this coin, without all this damage, it's probably worth at least $20 to $30 that I've seen. But this one, probably not really sellable. Canada, 1978. I think there's like 100 million of these minted, so quite a common coin. And probably $1. Then we have a US cent, 1974. I wouldn't be surprised if there were at least 1 billion of these minted. This one has mint luster. You can see the reddish colour on it. D for Denver. And this side's actually been created. So this side has been definitely exposed to the surface, and this side has been protected somehow. Then we have, oh, got 2 coins. Have a look at these 2 together. So these 2 are Bahamas. So we've got the older coin and the current coin. Has multiple starfish or sea stars, whichever one you want to use. Well, they're not fish, so starfish is probably just not really accurate. So 98 and 2015. So this one's plated steel, I believe, and this one's probably also plated steel. Probably a few cents for those 2. A Czech Republic. Is this a 20? Oh no, 50. I think these were taken out in 2008, so they don't circulate. And only a few, probably 20 to 30 cents in it. Next coin is a token. Coleman Music. I'm not too sure on that. Then we have another Bahamas coin. So this one's 1966, has Elizabeth II, and I don't have this coin. So this one, oh, sorry, bit yawning, going in the collection. The coin I do have is a 5 Escudo from Portugal. Quite a nice series. This one you need to flip it. It has a coat of arms. Probably $1. Okay, Taiwan common current coin, so you can use these currently in Taiwan. $1. This one is dated 70. Then we have a French 20 centimes, quite a common coin. Got 2 Hungarian 1 foreign, so it has Budapest mint. And if we took on the other side, this one's quite circulated. This is 68, and this one is 1980. So not really worth selling separately. Okay, then we have a Indonesian 71. We've had Bird of Paradise. I think there's like 1 billion of these 50 rupiah coins, so quite a common coin. And the previous series of India that was changed this year, and this is an actual 2 rupees. So this is actually the same size as the previous 1 rupee coin, and it's stainless steel and it's actually poor quality minted. Okay, so this one is, I'm not too sure, maybe Syria? Ah yes, Syria. 50 piastres, and the coin I don't have. This one you're probably paying a few dollars to actually purchase, and it's not a coin you actually find really that much in these bulk lots, so that's going in the collection. Okay, got quite a few of these. 1 koruna from Czech Republic, current coin. This one's 2003, and it's nickel plated steel. Okay, another Taiwanese coin. Okay, here's a coin. Is that Trinidad and Tobago? Yes, it is. So, a current coin and $1 maximum. Then we have another current coin from Malaysia. So this is the smallest denomination of 55 cent. I mean, this is, was it 2005? And it's stainless steel. But quite a nice series that is. Then we have a previous coin from China, so they minted these to 2005 and then they changed it to stainless steel. This is an aluminium one, but you can still use these in China. Then we have a large penny coin from UK, 1963, and probably a high mint coin, so probably $1 maximum. Then we have another Spanish coin. This one is 1975, so first year of Carlos I, after he took over from Franco. This one's dated 1980, so the 8 is actually in the actual date there, and this will be a common coin. Okay, then we have another Czech Republic. Seem to be getting a lot of Czech Republic coins, especially 1, 2, and 5 korun. This one's 2003 and 2 korun. Then we have a Cypriot coin. This is a 5 cent. Yep, I like the actual archaeological figurine that's actually on there, the bull. UK, 1 penny, current coin. But this is the bronze one, not the copper plated steel. But you can still use it in UK, not really worth much. Then we have another French franc, 20 centimes. Another Spanish coin. This has the Madrid mint, so this one is 1983. When they actually put the actual date on the actual coin. And then we have an old New Zealand 5 cent. This is a Tautara, which is one of the most primitive reptiles still alive, and only lives on islands. And this one's 1982, so common coin. And we have another Venezuela. So this is a 25 centimos, common coin. Another Taiwanese $1. I think I'll spend these if I ever go back to Taiwan. Then we have a first series of the current Brazilian real, so 94. And this one's also steel, but they changed them to aluminium bronze later. And another Bahamas coin. This is another 1 cent. And then we have a 2 pence from where? UK. Okay, 2 pence. Okay. Also a current coin. Then a coin you don't actually see that often is a 25 pesetas from Spain. And this is the Franco, so it has General Franco. 1957 is the date on that side. But on this side it has, is that 59? Looks like it. It's a 1959. Pretty circulated, but not a coin you actually see quite often. Probably $1 or $2 for that one. And my favorite coin, this is a 20 centavos from Mexico. It has a Teotihuacan, which is a step pyramid. And oh no, it's just beautiful, large bronze coin. And on the back we have the coat of arms of Mexico. Pity about the actual damage. Notice Mexico is called the United States of Mexico. Then we have another Jamaican 10 cent, 81. Same size as an Australian 10 cent. 10 lira from Italy, and it has plastic on it. Probably not really worth. Maybe it was in some. Don't know why it's got plastic. Usually people do this to actually put them with other coins, so they actually make like a set, a display set or something like that. Current coin from South Korea, a 10 won. Smallest coin you're going to actually find. Got a Polish, is this 2? No, 5 groszy. Current coin. 10 Pfennig from Germany, previous coin. 1950, so the first year of Bundesrepublik Deutschland. And another German coin, 82. Equivalent to about 10 cents in Australia. Okay, another Italian 5 lira. This one is a dolphin, quite a common coin. Okay, this one is a new pence from the UK, so this is probably worth a few dollars because it's in high grade, 1970. And something I'll sell separate. And this one's a Greek 5 drachma, so it has Hercules with clubs and the coat of arms of Greece. And on this side we have Palos, Greek King of the Greeks, 1954, so first year of this issue. And I see a lot of these actually in this grade, and this one's probably worth a few dollars in itself. Then we have another coin. I don't have a Jamaican 10 cent with plastic on it. Got sticky tape. And where's the other? So this is actually a bit different from the previous series. So here's 2 different 10 cent coins. This is probably nickel plated steel. And on the back we have the Hero series, so National Hero. And I actually don't have this 10 cent in my collection, so this one's going in the collection as soon as I get rid of the plastic. And a 2003 200 rupiah common coin. And that is basically what we have in this lot. So what I'm keeping are these coins. And the rest I need to actually look up. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. Have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you and goodbye.